Sweetie, where is the pan?
On the way!
Seasoning. Some funny facts about onions. Onions have been around since the Bronze Age. The oldest known onion harvest dates back to around 5000 BC, almost 7000 years ago. The onion was worshipped by ancient Egyptians. They believed that its spherical shape and concentric rings symbolized eternity. They used to cover the tombs of the rulers with onion pictures, and onions played a vital role in burial rituals. They believed that onions would help the dead succeed in the afterlife. Eating parsley would help get rid of the pesky onion breath. In the Middle Ages, onions were an acceptable form of currency and was used to pay for rent, goods and services, and even as a gift. In China, people put onions in their socks while sleeping to combat diseases. The onion seems to have a healing effect against colds, bladder infections, pain on the teeth and ear pain. Deglaze with balsamic vinegar. Butter. Thyme.
Is it? Is it?
Simple mustard. Cover and let them simmer for 10 minutes. Let's break down the price. $7.66 for the sausages, approximately $2 for the rest of the ingredients. The recipe yields 2 to 3 portions, so it's under $3 per portion.